What's up, guys? Shar Ayaria here, your Bay Area realtor. I hope you're doing fantastic. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Today we're gonna tour this stunning estate in Old Palo Alto. It is a gorgeous 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom, 5,300 square feet home sitting on a quarter of an acre lot. This home was built in 2008. It is an absolute gem, and the location is amazing. It is very close to Stanford University, Stanford Shopping Center, California Avenue, Caltrains, bike path, you name it. This location and this neighborhood and this stunning home has got it all. It's living in Palo Alto at its finest. So if you guys are as excited as I am to check out this beauty behind me, don't go anywhere. Go ahead and keep on watching. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. This is the front yard of the house. We've got beautiful shrubs, lawns, and trees here, and this double door right here leads to the garage, and look at how cute the style of it is. It's a beautiful Mediterranean style home, and this side of the building, this image right here is something from the storybooks, I swear. Very lovely, very cute. You've got an extended driveway that leads to your garage. It's an attached 2-car garage, and this is actually the entrance of the house. So you'll go through this beautiful garden and gate. We've got this beautiful private courtyard right here. Look at how peaceful, how beautiful and gorgeous this courtyard right here is. And you have a cute little water fountain here. Just so pretty. It's like walking through Amazon jungle, but like safer version of it, and just so pretty and tranquil. So this pathway right here leads us to the backyard, and here, my friends, is the entrance of the house. We've got this gorgeous wooden French door with glass paneling, and as we enter the house, right in front of us, we have this spacious living room right here, tall ceilings, and we've got dining room right next to it. This is such an open floor plan, very bright, and there's just so many things that I want to show you guys in the house. Look at that gorgeous carved fireplace. We've got this huge dining room space right here. Beautiful sconces on the wall, and we've got this really nice arched entryway to the kitchen. So let me go ahead and give you guys an overview of the dining room and the living room together. Look how open, how spacious this area is. Now, as we enter the kitchen area, we've got this cute family room right here. We have another carved fireplace. This is a wood-burning fireplace, and on top, we've got exposed beam through the ceiling, and a beautiful chef's kitchen. Guys, this is just so pretty. We have a breakfast table right here, tons of cabinetry, beautiful sage color cabinetry. We've got hardwood flooring throughout the house, a very large island here. We have a little built-in, I don't know what to call it, study area, or mainly this is where you're going to be paying the bills, most likely. Right here, we have beautiful granite countertops. We've got decor microwave right here, and beautiful cabinetry with glass paneling right there. Check out this beautiful hood over range, and this is a Bertazzoni range, double oven, 6-burner range, and we've got this really nice backsplash that goes really nice with the cabinet colors and the granite countertops. We've got this windows right here that overlook that beautiful courtyard that we saw coming in. And we've got this really nice granite farm double sink right here. Beautiful faucet and fixtures. And in the island, you have more storage area. Guys, this is so nice. Wow. And we're going to check out the backyard in just a little bit. So stay tuned for that. Now, from here, there's a basement, and there's a lot happening in the basement. So let's go ahead and check it out. Very bright hallways. All right, here's one of my favorite parts of the house, the basement. We have a ping pong table here. We have a full kitchenette with range cooktop and a lot of cabinetry for basement. Another granite farm sink with granite countertops and a beautiful backsplash. We've got dishwasher and a fridge here for your beverages. And right here we have this lounging area, very big, very spacious, and a beautiful tray ceiling with canned lighting and those double doors that give you access to the backyard from the basement. Beautiful architecture and beautiful staging of the house. Really, really nice. I don't think I mentioned the price. And look at this beautiful arched entryway and hallway. So this is where we're going to have more bedrooms. I will tell you the price in just a little bit. This is one of the bedrooms here. And all of the bedrooms in this house, they're ensuite. They have their own full bathroom. And a gorgeous tray ceiling that gives more character and dimension to the room. Okay, this is the bathroom. We've got travertine tile flooring and a standing shower, and we've got travertine all the way to the top, almost to the top, and exposed wood beams throughout the hallway as well. So next we have another bedroom here downstairs with its own full bathroom. Same situation like the previous room, just really, really nice. All the rooms are like so private, and this is just perfect for a big family with a few kids. This is going to be where their bedrooms are, and downstairs they get to play together and be all loud and do crazy things and not even bother you with the noise or anything. The house is so big, you're not going to be able to hear anything. Now this is a theater. How beautiful is this room? This is where you're going to have your snacks and just fun holiday rom-coms or scary movies here, and this is just the perfect place to do that. This house has so much character, just very pretty. You have a little popcorn station tucked away in that corner. Guys, check out this super wide hallway. Very open, very spacious. Yeah, so going back to the price, this is a 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom, 5,300 square feet home sitting on a quarter of an acre lot. And it is priced a little shy of $12 million in Palo Alto. This is a very pristine neighborhood, very well established, and you've got a big lot in an amazing location. Look at those niches right there with can lighting, just very beautiful. This house is huge, but it's not like one of those big homes that is cold. It is not. This house is actually very warm. It's luxurious. It's inviting, and it's perfect for a big family, or if you want to have your in-laws over, or whoever, if you're having guests visiting you from out of the state, out of the country, you have a lot of place to have them stay with you comfortably and privately. So on the right hand side, we've got this beautiful office space right here. And we've got hardwood flooring throughout the house. Look at all this custom built cabinetry here. Gosh, that beautiful sitting bench in front of us by the window. So beautiful. More cabinetry here, and your own full bathroom right here. And this is actually also the guest's bathroom, because there is another door that your guests can have access to. Now on the left hand side here, this is our access to the garage, and we've got censored lighting. This garage right here has so much storage space. It's very clean, very organized. You've got custom cabinets here, and we've got a laundry room here with washer and dryer. This can also be used as your yoga studio if you want it. It has epoxy flooring, very clean, spacious, for anything that you want to do, because you have plenty of parking space. You have parking space in your driveway, you have street parking, and this is that double door that we first saw when we were outside of the house. Just beautiful. Okay, now let's go ahead and check out upstairs. I cannot get enough of this house. It is so beautiful. Okay, so upstairs, we're going to start on the right hand side. We've got this beautiful sitting bench right here. Let's go ahead and start with the right wing of the house. There's a closet here. Could be a coat closet or just some storage area for you. This is bedroom number 1 upstairs. Beautiful bedroom, very good size. You guys, I'm panting. This house is so huge. It's like doing a cardio. It is so big. I'm so sorry. I swear I work out. I'm not out of shape. Anyways, this is your bathroom, full bath. We've got marble countertops, beautiful vanity, single vanity. And let's keep going. This is another laundry space upstairs. So you've got your washer and dryer, cabinetry, and you have a sink here if you want a quick wash or hand wash something. And did I mention that there's tons of windows throughout the house, so you get a lot of natural light. This closet right here has got beautiful shelves inside and drawers and mirror sliding doors, which is amazing. You can check yourself out in the morning when you're getting ready. And look at this room. Beautiful, very spacious, generous size bedrooms, and your own ensuite full bath with beautiful single vanity. Really, really nice. Alright guys, check out the hallway here. Super bright. I love this floor plan. Again, it's huge, but it's still warm. It's still inviting. It screams family. All right, guys, this right here is the beautiful master bedroom. Look at all these windows. Look at all this natural light. And we've got this beautiful tray ceiling with can lighting on top. It just gives this beautiful room that much more dimension. Check out this gorgeous see-through fireplace. And I'm actually going to go ahead and show you the other side. The other side is where we have the tub. It's a jetted tub. And we have this beautiful balcony right here. Let's check it out really quickly. And from here, we can also check out the backyard. Look how big this balcony is right here. My gosh, beautiful. Just imagine having your morning coffees here. So nice, so peaceful. And you've got tons of greeneries and trees surrounding the house, which makes this beautiful home very private. Look at the backyard. We've got a sitting area right here, and we've got a barbecue grill right there, and the stairs over there that leads you all the way down to the basement where the entertainment room is at. One more time. Beautiful. Let's head back in. Oh my God. Oh, it's getting warm outside. Okay. Check out this beauty. Oh my gosh. So nice. We've got this nice sitting area by the fireplace for your cold winter nights. Here's the master bathroom. We've got tile flooring, marble countertops, double vanity for his and hers. And we've got this beautiful jetted tub with customized built-in shelves. And this is the other side of the fireplace. So it's really nice just getting in the tub, having your glass of wine, reading your book, and turning on the fireplace in cold winter nights. You've got a standing shower with chrome finish fixtures. Beautiful. And you've got a little sitting bench over there. And right here is where the powder room's at. You've got a censored bidet. This actually scared me the first time I walked by it. And a master closet right here with tons of cabinetry and a big window. But again, at the same time, it's very private. You're surrounded by trees, so no one can actually see inside the house. But still, I wouldn't get too close to the window. And you've got a lock on one of your cabinets if you want to store your valuables in here. You can lock it up and leave the house and not worry about anything. We've got custom shelves. Guys, what do you think of this beauty right here? It is absolutely stunning, isn't it? By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you part of my family. And don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so that way you're notified every time I post a video on my YouTube channel. And if you have a gorgeous home that you want me to feature on my channel, please go ahead and send me a DM on my Instagram or text me or send me an email, and I would be more than happy to showcase your home. And if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest in the Bay Area, I would love to help you. You can go ahead and visit my website at listwithshar.com and request a free consultation with me, and I will be more than happy to help you on your journey. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. If you did, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.